There is something about cooking with fire that just pulls people in. Fontana Forni, heritage Italian maker of outdoor ovens and kitchens, has been building around that idea since 1945. It started in a small workshop in the Modular region of Italy, where the Fontana family were metal workers. In 1978, they built something nobody had made before, the first portable metal wood-fired oven. That was nearly 50 years ago, and today craftsmen are still building every oven by hand in the same factory, now led by the third generation of the Fontana family. Every product is still 100% Italian engineered to this day. Fontana uses artisanal saputo stones, hand-thrown with volcanic clay. They are thicker than what you'll find in most ovens, which matters because it means the stone holds heat evenly across the whole surface. And that's what gives you a crust that's actually cooked through, not just browned on top. Fontana makes wood-fired, gas, and hybrid ovens, offering a different experience for every type of cook. Gas ovens heat up quickly and offer more straightforward temperature control. Wood-fired ovens require a bit more time and more attention, but they reach higher peak temperatures and a depth of character that you really can't replicate any other way. And for those who want both options, Fontana's hybrid ovens run on gas or wood. Anything you can cook inside, you can cook outside. Think steak, fish, bread, roasted vegetables. Enjoy full meals that have been cooked over a live flame. Fontana also offers two outdoor kitchen lines, Alicia and Ember. Both are modular, built to integrate with Fontana ovens and do not require professional installation. No contractor, no permits. You're ready to cook in a day or two. Because when the kitchen is outside, so is everyone else. That is the true Fontana legacy. Good food, good company, and a reason to stay outside a little longer.